What's going on, family? We got some Fuego new kits for you today. So this is the Voopoo Mojo from Voopoo. It's got the gene chip in it. It's an 88-watt device, and it's pretty awesome, honestly. I think it's a beautiful design. I think it looks really cool. It fits pretty nice in your hand, and additionally, it has these buttons. This is your wattage up and down button, and so you can adjust the wattage with those. So we're gonna take a drag off of it. I've got the Arco 2 on here. I'm running it at 80 watts with the 0.2 ohm coil in there. Sensational. Fuego. But on your screen here, you're going to see your battery life, your coil resistance. Come on now, son. Your voltage. So we're getting about 4.15 is what it looks like. And then the time you hit the button, of course. And it says Voopoo up there, which I think is kind of cool. But in the box, you're going to get your literature. You've got a coil and spare parts for your tank. You've got a glass for your tank. And then, of course, you have your charge cord. Hold on, we got a customer. All right, so as far as it goes, yeah, like I said, I mean, you've got the wattage adjustment buttons here. Apparently, according to the box, it says it's a 10 millisecond firing speed, so the faster than ever. Fashionable and colorful comfort to grip. It's got a 2600 mAh battery in it, and it's 88 watts, like I said. So with the 2600, that's equivalent to like just regular 18650. But I took a few reps off of it already. I think I already showed you what comes in the box. I don't remember. You get a extra coil for your U-force, and then O-rings, the charge cord, and then the spare glass. As far as the the menu goes, if you hold down both the wattage up and down buttons, it'll let you cycle through your menu here. So you've got stuff like wattage, your modes, and it's got like nickel, titanium, stainless steel, all that good stuff. The lock function, and then this and that are just information about your chip, everything like that. Your Voopoo chip, your gene chip. On the bottom down here, it shows you. Excuse me. It shows you the where it says gene chip. It's got a reset button right there, and of course it's got vent holes for your battery. Kind of see, I guess that's wiring. I'm kind of curious to know what they have in there as far as the battery goes. If it's like a LiPo or if it's like a just a regular 18650. I'm really surprised that they didn't put the option for just like a regular 18650. I wonder why they made it internal battery. That's kind of curious. But overall, I think it's a solid device. I think it's a solid starter kit or medium ground kit. Like I said, it comes with the U-force tank, so you can run that anywhere between 40 and 80, so all the way up on the box essentially. But I'm gonna take a couple more drags off of it and then we'll get out of here. Chuck in the vapor. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and be sure to get back to you. All right, peace.